Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to uninstall updates on Windows 11. Let's get started. Open Windows Settings. From your desktop, click the Windows Start icon on the taskbar. Open Settings. Navigate to Windows Update. In the Settings window, go to the left side menu. Click on Windows Update. Open Update History. On the Windows Update page, scroll down to the More Options section. Click on Update History. Access Uninstall Updates. Scroll down to the bottom of the Update History page. Under the Related Settings section, click Uninstall Updates. Choose the update to uninstall. A list of installed updates will appear. Find the update you want to remove. Uninstall the update. Click the Uninstall option next to the selected update. In the confirmation window, click the Uninstall button again. Complete the uninstallation. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the update from your Windows 11 computer. Once completed, the selected update will be uninstalled. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.